This section heading is called Verifying It Works. So what we're going to do in this section is we're essentially going to run our program in order to ensure that this single line of code has corrected the problem. Once we run it, we're going to take a look at the reducer file in order to ensure that it did. So first thing, let's run the program. So we can do this once again two different ways. We can right click, run as Java application, or we can simply come up here and just click this button. So now we want to go down the bottom, we want to make sure that we don't receive an error, and then we want to go to our terminal. So inside the terminal we're going to inspect the reducer file. So once again, this is inside of our project folder. So if we list the content of our project folder, you'll see the new output directory, and if we list the contents of that, you're going to see the reducer file. So here's our reducer file. So now once again, we're just going to print out the first and last 10 lines within this file. So first the first, and we'll go head workspace word count output 2 and then part. So within the first 10 lines it looks like we did, and then we're just going to inspect the last 10. So now we're going to say tail workspace word count output 2 and then part. Okay, so everything looks good, so problem corrected. Now what we're going to do to kind of get a sense of how badly things were skewed, once again we're just going to take that line count, which is another way of saying how many unique words are in the file. So before we had 6,682. So now that's workspace word count output 2 and then part. So we can see that it is quite significant.